The wrong shoe can lead to foot pain and even injury for patients. We'll explore a hands-on workshop that explores different types of designs and inserts that can provide comfort, heal, and even prevent wounds and ulcers. And we're closing out the last full day of WOC Next 2022 with a night on the town. We'll take you inside the WOC Next Night Out over at River Ranch, straight ahead on WOC Next TV. I'm Chris Turner, and you're watching WOC Next TV. What an amazing week it's been here in Texas, featuring the return of the Parade of Nations, the opening of the exhibit hall, and many opportunities for WOC and ET nurses to learn the latest in this field. Tuesday morning was an introduction for some to the concept of culturally congruent care. Attendees learned of different theories and models of cultural care and how to use those frameworks as guides to promote culturally congruent care for individuals in need of a WOC or ET nurse.
Well, today we live in this globalized world where we have a lot of people coming from different places, different cultures, cultural backgrounds, different countries, but also different experiences in how to be ill, how to be sick, and how to meet the healthcare system. And that really demands that nurses have special skills in meeting people with dignity and awareness and competences, but most of all also with compassionate care.
There have been significant advances in the understanding of how our diet affects our gut health. A session hosted by Dr. David Binion brought forth new scientific insight on how a healthy gut can improve patient care and day-to-day health in the community. It's time to focus on some footwear. No time for attendees to kick their feet up at this hands-on workshop dedicated to the many different aspects of shoes and how they can be both the cause and the solution to foot pain and injuries.
I want them to understand proper shoe fit. I also will hopefully give them some ideas of people like myself. I'm a certified podorthist. I just do and manage conservative management of the foot, so they can build relationships if they don't already have them to improve their team and bring more people into helping with solving problems.
Not all wounds are the same, and some wounds are just a symptom of a separate underlying process. The Wound Mimickers session aimed to broaden the diagnostic skills of healthcare professionals when it comes to atypical wounds. Just outside of the exhibit hall is the Poster Hall, a place to honor some of the best research at this year's conference and where you'll find the latest findings from the brightest WOC and ET minds from all over the world, providing new ideas and concepts for everyone to apply in their own practices.
It's a different world, seeing the curative mixed with end-of-life care. That's usually where I focus. So seeing all these different age groups brought in, from pediatrics to geriatrics, it's a nice change.
I've met several individuals that I have met in the last 2 years on Zoom, and it's just nice seeing them in person. And it's just, it feels good to be able to present and show our posters and our work over the last years, finally in person and also virtual.
It's very exciting to be back in person, to be able to connect with different wound care specialists. We all share a lot of the same issues, and to be able to, present a poster and have people come up and have that in-person discussion where we know, I'm having the same issue, this is how we solved it, and really connect and share and solve the issues of the community.
High levels of infection can slow down the healing of wounds. Recent studies have shown that bacteria can create biofilms that provide tolerance against antibodies and antiseptics. The step down, then up treatment is a way to reduce infection levels, then step up treatment on wounds. Thank you so much for attending WOC Next 2022. What an amazing week it's been here in Texas with so much to learn and do. I can't wait to see what WOC Next 2023 in Las Vegas has in store. You've been watching WOC Next TV. I'm your host, Chris Turner. We leave you now with the sights and sounds from the WOC Next Night Out at River Ranch here in Fort Worth.